Methods to fix room tariff. A hotel fixes the room tariff on the following two factors: cost-based, market-based. Now, let us see how cost-based pricing is determined. Cost-based pricing is a room rent determination technique that covers the basic cost of operations at a given level of service, along with the predetermined percentage of return on investment. This can be explained better through a couple of theories like rule of thumb, Hubbard formula. Now let's see what says the rule of thumb. According to the rule of thumb, the room rent should be fixed at the rate of ₹1 for each ₹1,000 spent on the construction and furnishing of the room. Cost per room or room cost. Assuming that the average occupancy is 70% of the year. Thus, it is the cost of land, construction, fitting and fixtures that determine room rates. Now comes the Hubbard formula. This is a scientific way and most recent approach of determining the room rent. To determine the average selling price per room, the approach considers operating cost, desired profit, and expected number of the rooms sold. To be precise, doubles sold daily is equal to double occupancy rate times total number of room times occupancy percentage. Again, the single sold daily is equal to rooms sold daily less number of double rooms sold daily. Now let's find out the 8 steps of Hubbard formula. Calculate the hotel's desired profit by multiplying the desired rate of return by owner's investment. Calculate pre-tax profit by dividing desired profit, step 1, by 1 minus the hotel tax rate. Calculate fixed charges and management fee. Calculate undisturbed operating expenses. The calculation include estimated administrative and general, data processing, HR, transportation, marketing, property operation and maintenance and energy cost. Estimate non-room operated department income and loss, that food and beverage and other departments' income or loss. Calculate the required rooms department income. Determine the room department revenue. Calculate the average room rate by dividing room department revenue, step 7, by the expected number of rooms to be sold. Now let's discuss about market-based pricing. Market-based pricing is done by setting a price based on the value of the product as per customer's perception. In this case, the hotel works backwards as it first makes an accommodation product available at a price that a guest is willing to pay, and then it tries to cut down on the cost to achieve a reasonable rate of return on that basis. Now let's take a look at some common methods of market-based pricing. As per competition, in this approach, prices in all competing hotels are considered for similar products. Market tolerance checks the best available room rates of the competing hotels by calling them up without disclosing the identity. Rate cutting. Rates are lowered to increase occupancy levels, especially during off-season. Inclusive and non-inclusive rates. Charges rates based on meals provided. Guest requirement. Vary room tariff as per guest requirement. Prestige pricing. Product and prices are fixed much higher than other hotels with the mentality that if it is expensive, it must be good. Let us review the new words we learned in this chapter. Cost-based pricing is a room rent determination technique that covers the basic cost of operations. Hubbard formula is a scientific way and most recent approach of determining the room rent. Market-based pricing is done by setting a price based on the value of the product in the perception of the customer. Rate cutting is where rates are lowered to increase occupancy levels, especially during off-season. Prestige pricing is where product and prices are fixed much higher than other hotels with the mentality that if it is expensive,